still do a meter of like friction between the cars. And then we'll go to, I forgot to tell you the crystal. I'll show you this. The three colors come out of this one right here. Right? And then the top one gets those, opposite one. And this one is the same thing, you just got colors in this top one. So like the good wash gets that. And you don't want the good wash, right? You want the top wash.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, let's go to the next one. So you have the lights, right? Still come on. Make like moving off of the car and the soap goes on the car, makes it look like there's color in it, right?
Yeah.
But the trip foam has color. You don't need the lights. It has automatic color. This right here is the low pH, and this is what neutralizes everything in the back, in the front of the wash. Does that make sense? Cool. They have air cylinders right up there. You see those cylinders like when they shock? It's almost like a car, right? And then you just let it go and let's see. You have to actually push it. It doesn't come back to the top. Okay, so then we got you ever hear that inside the wash and you hear that like high pressure? That's this right here. And this is like high pressure, high PSI. So if you touch it with your hand, it'll probably cut your hair. But it's not that, like if you really want it that close. If you went right here, it wouldn't. So this gets rid of all the excess, like mud inside the wheel wells, or anything on the bottom of the car. Okay? And then you have the high sides. What were the first ones called? Low sides. Low sides. And these are high sides. They do the same thing. These are just taller so they get the top of the car too. But what's really cool is, let's say your mirror gets moved by these right here. This one will put it back. And they spin opposite. So these spin counterclockwise. Counterclockwise. And these spin counterclockwise. Counterclockwise. And this one's clockwise. Depends which side you're on. I get confused sometimes. Same thing. You want to pull it again? You want to hold it by that thing? Right here. And you can pull it out. You pull it down a little further. Easy, right? It doesn't put a lot of pressure on the top. And you let it go. Whoa. Alright. That's the ceramic, right? That's the lights. That's the lights that come on. And then the ceramic comes on with these right here. These right here. I don't know what they're all. Do you know what the ceramic does?
Cleans it, right?
So everything past this end cleans it, right?
Right.
And then after here, that's where you get all like your polishes. Right? So you have the high pH, low pH that like neutralize the car to zero. And then you start getting the polishers after the rinse. I forgot about the waterfall. We call it high volume. You know when the waterfall falls?
Yes.
Like a waterfall?
Yes.
It comes off right there. And then you get the polishers. So you get this one. You get the ceramic. And this one's leather packs. Do you have any questions for me? I'm just talking. Oh, tires? Those four lines I showed you in the beginning, those two. So they tell everything to turn on and off. So these will turn on, and then they'll be pushed into the car like this. Like for this side, it's further away. And these right here, they spin. You can't spin them, they're not that strong, they're not hard. That spins. And then the soap, the tire shine, gets applied to here. You see these right here? These tubes? And these holes on top? Then we have a system that basically turns it on, and then the soap comes out, goes over on the bristles, and gets applied to the car. Is that cool? Do you have any other questions with the tire shine? No?
I like that.
Pretty cool. Look, it's super light.
Yeah.
Feel it?
Super light?
You can do it with your foot. You don't have to do it with your hands.
Oh, wow.
Even though it weighs like 2 tons.
How about the blower?
The what?
The blower.
The blowers? So the blowers, they're right here. How they work, same thing like in the beginning with the photo eye, close them when you turn on and off.
Yeah.
On the back right here, you want to come on this side?
Sure.
See, like these are a little different than the 701, the Austin bus wash.
Yeah.
But it has air gates. It doesn't blow air until the air gates open up. Then it draws in the air, and then it blows off the water off the top.
Ah.
They all have them. They're all timed to a certain spec.
How, how much pressure is it, right?
I mean, it's a lot of pressure. Not too much pressure, because we don't want to blow people away, but enough to get the water off. What are the other questions? You can ask me whatever you want. Huh?
I think that's it.
That's it? You give me a little refresher.
Hey, Mom, come here.
Where'd you go? What'd you do?
Huh?
What did you do?
Give a tour.
You had a tour. Well, that's pretty cool. Awesome.
Yeah. I like that. They tell me what the pressures are.
Yeah?
I see. Like these. And then these. Like
It feels more like foam instead.